Hey there, fellow truth seekers. I'm Dr. X.
Hello, world. I'm Roboy.
Roboy, what if I told you? Extinction isn't always forever.
Uh-oh. Doc's been drinking the lab chemicals again.
Thanks to science, cloning, and a little genetic magic, some extinct creatures might just make a comeback.
You mean, like my ex? Too bad.
Okay.
So sad.
No, Roboy. Real animals. Here are 10 that could rise from the dead.
10. Woolly mammoth.
Scientists are splicing mammoth DNA into elephants. Soon, we'll have furry trunks walking around.
Finally, a hairy situation I can support. 9. Tasmanian tiger.
This striped predator might get a second chance thanks to preserved DNA.
Great. Another thing for Australia to try and kill. 8. Dodo bird.
Geneticists are cracking the dodo's code. They were basically pigeons, but worse at flying.
So, Thanksgiving too. 7. Saber-toothed cat.
With big cat relatives still around, who says we can't bring back those fangs?
My therapist says no. But science says yes! 6. Passenger pigeon.
Billions once darkened the skies. Now, gene editing could revive the flock.
Finally. A bird that's worse at parking than me. 5. Irish elk.
Giant antlers, check. Scientists think they could resurrect this mega deer.
Good luck finding a living room big enough. 4. Pyrenean ibex.
This goat was cloned once, but died minutes later. Round 2, anyone?
Doc? Maybe let's not play God before coffee. 3. Moa.
Giant, flightless birds from New Zealand. Jurassic Park, but with more feathers.
So, Jurassic Peck? 2. Carolina parakeet.
America's only native parrot, wiped out in 1918. But DNA could bring back the colors.
Finally, a politician I'd actually vote for. 1. Neanderthal.
Controversial, but possible. Would you clone a caveman?
Only if they do my taxes.
Extinction might not be the end. Just a really long nap.
So, zombie animals? Cool. Can we ride the saber-tooth?
We'll work on it. Subscribe for more weird science.